Hi, I'm Karen and welcome to Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to use shared Canva templates. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you need is to access Canva. So if you look down below, I have a link. So this link will get you to Canva. You can have a free version, which works really well, or get the paid version, which has a lot of extra perks. So that's great. So go there, open that up. You need to use Google Chrome. That's the best for using that. And then you need to access the link. So I'm just going to pull up one of my team pages where I have the links here. Okay, so what I did for my team was I made two template files for Facebook and Instagram stories. So we're going to click on the link. You're going to see who created the template, and you're going to see an image of the template. Sometimes you can even click arrows to kind of scroll through it. And then you click Use Template. So we'll do that. All right, so it opened up Canva here. Just make that a little bigger. So this is just a basic Instagram and Facebook story template. So when you see a little clouded image like this, that's a frame for you to drop an image into it. So let's say I go over to my images here, and let's say I want to put these items there. I just drag them over. I can resize them if I want, or I can keep them small. I can move them over. Say I just want those ones. All right, so they're right there. Let's say I don't really like this color because you have your own theme, your own brand. So let's say you use this color. Actually, let's use the Thrive Green. There we go. Okay. Now we have another clouded picture right here, another frame. So what we're going to do is this is where you put a picture of yourself in here. So if you need to put pictures into Canva, you can just drag them over Canva and it'll automatically go into your uploads. It's really convenient that way. Okay, so let's see. I'll put a picture of myself up there. How easy is that? If I want to zoom in a little bit, I can do that. Now, this is where you put your company name. So Thrive Life. And then down here, where it says enter your name. So with Karen. And then this is where you can write whatever you want. So food that tastes great. Okay. Get rid of any extra spaces you don't want. And then down here, a lot of times I like to have like a poll on Instagram. After this is all uploaded onto Instagram, then you can add extra features and I'll put a poll there. So I might have a question here of what's, let's see, your favorite? And then I might in the poll put green apples or strawberries, and then encourage people to click on one of them. So I'm just going to leave it like that for now. So let's change this color down here to the Thrive Green or whatever branding color you want. Here you put in your own address. Okay, your web address. And if you need to move it over, go on the double arrow. You can just drag it where you want. And then for the month of whatever month it is right now, you go in and you just edit that. So right now it's December. And here you're going to copy what you put up there. So, oops, that didn't work. There we go. Thrive life with, and then again, I'm going to just add my picture. There we go. It's the footer of the story, which is just kind of nice. And I try to have that consistent. There's lots of different ways to do stories. This is just one way. And if you have the template set up, then it's just minor fun little changes every time you want to do this. And it just makes it a little bit easier. So now we go down here. So let's say there's a promo. So, okay, Black Friday's over, but I'm just going to put it there because it was kind of a promo. So then I'd write something here about Black Friday. So grab it while it lasts. Okay. And then here, I would repeat what's up here. Same process. Here, okay, this is the specials. So I go and I see if I put the specials in here. Here we go. Here's some November specials. Okay, so this doesn't quite fit. So we can just drag it and pull it down. We can also try to reshape it inside as well. So it's just, Canva is so flexible that way, which is nice. Okay, so then I have text here. Okay, so it's overlapping. Maybe I'll just pull it over like this and pull it down. Enter text about the deliveries special. So awesome specials this month. Okay, and then down here, I would repeat what I had at the top. Up here, just keep repeating it all the way through. Here we have the monthly pack. Okay, here's the November specials, put it in there. And this is where I'm going to write something special about that special pack. So comes, I can spell that, comes in pantry cans. All right, and then that's the end of this one. So when I'm uploading stories to Instagram, I can only upload four pages, 4 of these Canva pages at a time. So that's why I have a part 1 and a part 2 of my Facebook stories. So I'm just going to finish editing this and I will bring up the second one. Okay, I did the basic editing. Something else I want to show you before I finish with this particular file. We're going to go into audio over here and we're going to pick a song. So with the free version, you do get quite a few free songs. Okay, so let's listen to this ukulele song. Okay, so it's kind of fun. Let's add that. We'll click on it. It's down here. And up here, you'll see the length of the song. So it'll go for 1 minute because each slide is set for 15 seconds. The template is on an animation called Breathe. So it'll have the text and the images kind of breathe in as it's playing. So if you want to see what the whole thing looks like, then you go up here. So you can just back up a second. Each page is 14 seconds long. So go to the next one, 15 seconds. And that's because on Instagram stories and Facebook stories, the maximum you can have a picture up there is for 15 seconds. So that's why we did that. So go up to this little play button, and now you can see your whole story come to life. And so under Grab It While It Lasts, you can have poll questions, you can have just a normal question, you can have a fun gift, you can really make this your own with the features that the stories offers. And if you can find ways to get people to interact, then that will be even better. Okay, so then I just go up to close, and there we have it. So November, I'm going to change this one to November. Okay, so this is the first part of the stories. So I had eight pages in my stories to kind of try to cover everything that I wanted to share at this time. So you would do the same thing with the second link. The second link was over here. So just right up here, and you click that and do the exact same thing. All right, so let's go back to Canva for a second. Okay, so we're gonna go up to download. Okay, and we're going to download as an MP4 video. And you can decide to just select certain pages, but I purposefully set this template up so you can use all 4 pages for your story. If you wanted to delete a page, you just go over to the page that you want to delete and you click on the garbage can. If you want to copy it, then you click on this. If you want to create a blank page, you just click on this one. But we are going to download. Did it start downloading? There it is. Okay, so it's just downloading, and then we upload it. So I hope this has been helpful to get you comfortable with using Canva, learning how to use that link that people might share with you for their templates, and how to kind of navigate around Canva a little bit. It's just the very basics to do what you need for this particular template. There's a lot of other things you can add to it and play around with, but all the text is set up. Let's see, if you need, you can change the font. There's a lot more you can do with it if you want to, but if you just want to quickly have a template, you can quickly throw in the pictures you want and put in a little bit of text here or there, then this is perfect for that. All right, well, I hope this has helped, and stay tuned for the next video where I show you how to upload this onto your stories.